People I'll be hitting like 90 going to smashing. That's why you like the song. Where'd you go with?
I'm so cool, and I told my mom.
We like the last motherfuckers to show up.
Yeah, there's someone right there.
Running a little baby. And they have a whole setup. That's cool. I don't know if you can rent this like for like a birthday. Oh yeah. Are we called the AJ boys? Pulled up.
The communication of like trying to do like a refund.
Alright, we pulled up to Fox Raceway for the, what's this shit called? The AJ Academy? The Moto Academy. We're gonna learn how to ride today. Learn how to ride properly. Is that right? But I wasn't able to bring my Kawi because that shit broke. Huh? What did he say? What the fuck he say? That's all y'all right there. Yeah, I wasn't able to bring my Kawi. My fucking clutch lever broke off. So homie letting me borrow the Husky for today. Hopefully I don't crash it. But yeah, this fucking piece right here broke off on my shit. I wanted to bring it to, I've been wanting to bring my Kawi to the track. But unfortunately, we weren't able to bring it. I was able to get it fixed on time, but yeah. The homie over here taking his shit already. Hey, fool, AJ's looking for you. Hey, cagon.
Shut up with your weak ass Kawi.
Oh. Fool, AJ's looking for you, bitch, you cagon. Well, he said. But yeah. This track's beautiful though. It's pretty sick out, I'm not gonna lie. There's a little bit of people, got some boys over there. I'm going.
He got this one. I wanted to get a 450 Honda, and I was like, fuck, should I change already? Should I change? And then my...
Alright, we're here at Fox Raceway, warming up, warming the bikes up, getting everybody's shit ready. We're here for the AJ Academy or Moto Academy. We're gonna learn how to go around the track today. Yeah. Kind of stoked. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. Just a tad bit scared, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna do anything I'm not comfortable with. I'm gonna do what I feel comfortable, you know. This is my first time on the track, or all of our first time on the track. So, yeah. Rider. Shout out to the homie letting me ride his bike.
Group 1 or Group 2? Group 1's going to be doing most of the jumps.
What'd you guys get?
Two.
Two, fine.
Can I get a picture?
I mean, I'm down to hit the jumps. No, actually, never mind. Fuck that. Alright, we're going to go off warm-up lap. track shit's really fucking fun, bro. I like that you can just take your time, get some jumps, get some speed. You're doing good, you're doing good. How you feeling, Bucky? Feeling good? No?
I'm about to sell the bike.
I mean, it's all learning curve. I feel pretty good. It's all like, it's our first time at the track. Some of the techniques are they're a little tricky, but I'm feeling this pretty good. It's pretty good. This track shit's pretty solid. I ain't gonna lie, I really fuck with it. What's your opinion? What do you think? You like it? How do you feel? You feel like you learned anything?
Yeah.
I don't know, like, it's cool though. Yeah, hell yeah, it's pretty worth it. We did pay like $300, but it was pretty worth it. And we're learning a lot of shit. I mean, this is our first time, like I said, this is our first time out at the track. So, I mean, it's all a learning process. Doing those techniques. The one thing I need to work on is my braking. I can't like braking a lot. Or using my ankle or my foot, my right foot to brake and shit. Or to use the front and the back brake at the same time.
The two major issues with riding flat-footed is that, well, you're flat-footed. You don't have any of that ankle suspension. That you can feel pretty well with those. With the Fox, like there's no room to be able to better feel the bike. So just practice. Just takes practice.
Got it.
Right? Some people tend to just overshoot where that rear brake pedal is. Some people tend to undershoot. Once you get used to those movements of going to and from the controls, you just get better and better and better at it. It just takes a little bit of time. Look how easy it is for my toe to get caught, and next thing you know, the entire foot's getting ripped off. Good way to tear an ACL or something as well. At all. It's weird. I think about correct footwork, and the correct footwork automatically pushes you where they belong. You just want to focus on body position. Like KTM, you're doing a great job of just focusing on body position. Stay away from the brakes. Don't even bother hitting them. That's why I told her on the Honda. I was like, just roll through here. Just focus on the body position because honestly, that's more important anyways. Sound good? Two, it just makes you focus on things that you didn't even know you had to focus on. To and from. Yeah.
Are you squeezing the bike with your knees or your boots?
When I sit, I squeeze the bike with my boots and my knees, big time. When I stand, I more so just point my toes in and the knees squeeze a little bit, but I'm really just leaning forward.
Because I found myself like squeezing with my knees a little more often than when I was standing up. I was really squeezing with my knees.
Sitting?
Yeah.
Oh,
when I was standing up, actually, when I was doing the one hand thing. Yeah.
Yeah, well, what would happen for a lot of people is you go to stand, and if you don't have the forward and back figured out, you're kind of just left with your hands that kind of fall off the place. I would say when I stand, it's much less about, I'm not thinking about squeezing with my knees. I'm really not. My feet are tight, so therefore my knees are tight. But I'm more so just focused on
Oh, okay.
just leaning forward.
Yeah. break. Yeah, we're learning a lot of shit though.
Learning a lot. Oh, let's have a camera fight.
Oh shit, vlog off. Is this what vlog people do? So you look like a fucking professional rider. Why you so mad, fool? So good, I'm viewing.
so bad. This is getting mad.
Food, that means you're gonna learn, food. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of down for some cookies.
I only got 2.
Oh, I'll share with the other.
Here.
Thank you. Food, she said I'll pick the thing.
Good, you want her.
Oh, get the other cookie.
Oh, all right. Oh, all right,
Thank you.
Thank you. He's a little upset.
Like 10 more minutes.
All right.
Fish out.
Shout out to her for a cookie. Oh, eat it, please. You can cheer up.
Hey.
Ah, too late.
Come on, food.
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 You may had us waiting in the morning. Food.
No, 5 more minutes. 20?
10.
Yeah. I wish I would have brought my bike. I would have felt really comfortable on my bike, but I'm getting used to the Husky. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little more comfortable, but this bike compared to my bike, this is way torquier. I know, I ain't gonna lie, the little girl's shredded. I ain't gonna lie.
And the kid, RJ, whatever, JR, pretty good.
JR, nigga.
What song is that?
First day out. I ain't gonna lie, you should really just focus on one thing, because it is hard to focus on all the things he's... Oh, shit. It is hard to focus on all the things.
I can't fucking hear you right now. Too busy playing.
Boo, I'm trying to teach you how to fucking ride better. Take it. These niggas praying on my downfall.
And remember, like, sit up on the seat, not too far, but like, remember he was saying with that hand whip? Make sure you guys are doing that, because I see a lot of guys like pulling off the back of the bike, and I feel like just by sitting up a little bit more, that can help you guys. Like the front feels a little washy. Does that feel like that to you?
Yeah.
Make sure, remember that grip that we were talking about? Like a little bit, not here, but like out here a little bit.
Oh, okay. So just keep my forearms or my inner hands out of there.
Exactly, yeah. Because it's just, I feel like that's going to help keep your elbows up a little bit, because when your elbows are down, you're kind of...
Yeah, I felt it right away. Yeah. I kind of just felt lost a little bit. So you said for the next one we're going to be standing up, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
For sure. Yeah. Okay. It's a little tricky, but I'll for sure try to work on that.
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna take a little bit getting used to. But
Yeah.
I think that's gonna help it not feel as washy. You know.
For sure. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. What happens?
We don't know.
You just want to start them
We
up?
don't want to start.
He doesn't want to ride the bike?
We'll probably switch or something in a bit.
Because after this, they're just going to do the whole track. I could just have him ride the bike the whole time. I don't really care.
Stuck here. You kept saying I kept getting stuck here?
Yeah, that's how I felt right there. It's just, it's pretty fucked up. It's either you go left or right. So you can't, if you go in between, it's too soft. He said I washed out because I don't have my elbows out.
Some riders, Jet was an example. Jet would never look. Not in every situation, but especially in a situation like that traction, you try to get the suspension. The same thing applies to the jump that you're going to put, find me first. Right? The higher level you get, the more it makes sense in some situations to let that bike kind of
bike runner.
it's soaking up, right? You have two ways of hitting a jump. You have preloading and seat bouncing, and you have soaking up and scrubbing. Soaking up and scrubbing is most of what you guys do. You have to get the speed ahead of time, and just like you would in BMX, just letting the bike come up to you and trying to absorb as much of it as you can. We're not trying to like bunny hop or J hop the BMX bike where we're yanking it, but we're just letting it work underneath us. That's it. Yeah, practice it in a situation in a jump that you just are confident you'll see.
What does that brake tap do?
The brake tap will stop the rear tire, and so therefore it'll drop the front end. It'll just level the bike out a little bit. So usually, if you hit a jump with the right body position, truly, it should basically be on the trajectory of like a perfect arc.
Yeah.
If we're doing it right. But a lot of times, just depending if we get a weird kick or if we got to kind of pull in a certain way, sometimes we end up here. And the way we want to land is with the pitch of the landing, and we want to land typically a little bit front tire first.
How'd you feel out there?
How did I look?
I didn't get to see you, but you passed me. I passed you that one time, but I got tired. Or I wiped out, huh?
Yeah, I felt, yeah, I was. Just as you felt, I went around and I wasn't supposed to hit it.
I started feeling comfortable, I ain't gonna lie, but my hands started getting tired.
Because I think we don't have our hands up still.
I tried to, but it's like it's so scary to keep your grip on.
Damn, I ain't shit right now.
You back?
Oh yeah.
Nah, this shit's fun. I feel like I'm not getting my hip placed right, so I keep on going all over the place. And when I come into a turn, like I feel like I catch myself off balance, but I'm getting there. It's just fun. Jesus. Man, that fool been fucking posted right there. That's just fucking fun, bro.
I was about to nosedive.
There's a few times I get tired. It's like, fuck.
When I passed you, no, I was behind you actually.
I think when I was in front of you, I was about to nosedive too. I wasn't trying to let you pass me. I was trying to keep a good pace, and I was like, fuck, no, I can't.
I passed by a good amount.
Yeah, low-key, I got tired. I was like, nah, fuck this shit.
Good game, guys. Good game. How does it feel?
Fuck yeah, it feels fucking good. I don't even know how much it's recording, but that shit was good. I was running.
K10 felt walking.
That was his name, Lester? Oh, yeah. Why do you change your guys' smart plug? Your bike started acting up too. I know I seen you guys. I kind of felt bad for this dude. I was like, damn, we gotta have his bike and shit. I was like, damn. I was gonna go over there, but I didn't want to get in between the track. I was like, fuck. That's why I just stayed over there. I was like, oh, fuck, I just keep riding. But this guy's KTM boy, fucking bike bogged out. His bike bogged out. Two-stroke problem. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a solid day. A really good day. Learned a lot of shit. Some good laps. Shit was fun.
Missed like 1/4 today.
No, you guys just missed like 2 laps. Yeah, I actually low-key got all the shit over there. Yeah, it's a solid ride. Look at this dually thing. That's just nuts, bro. Hell yeah. Start things. AJ, can you say what's up to my vlog? I only have my vlog. I only have like 90 subscribers. Though.
Okay, hey, it's a start. What's up, vlog?
Say what's up, Seth.
Just
Yeah. A few months ago, we just been vlogging, just us,
like GoPro stuff and
just riding trails around here. It's pretty
that's
cool.
Awesome.
Yeah,
What's can I subscribe?
yeah, hell yeah! It's Julian Dirtbike Vlogs.
Julian Dirtbike Vlog. Subscribe to Julian Dirtbike.
There you go. Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him. Subscribe.
Right now after.
Subscribe. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, sort of. So you're live right now. Look, if you wanted it to go up to like a 45 horse, the way I have it set,
Put it at 45.
45. You're live, so if you twist, you're gonna go.
Front.
No, rear brake.
Rear brake.
Rear brake.
Okay.
No brake. Rear brake. Where's the rear brake?
Left side.
Left hand. Okay.
All right. The new start there. All right.
Someone else can go right in.
Alright, that's it. We're headed home. Good ride.
Yeah, we're probably like 7:30. Like, hey, my bad.
Showing the fucking videos of us sending the fucking jumps. Good way to end the night.